editing this video with red lipstick on. Looks so pretty at night.
Meet the star and the dog.
Did you like the musical?
Just meet the dog!
Okay. Okay.
I want to see the dog again.
Okay.
There was a dog in here, and he was wearing a red hoodie.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I 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 guess you wonder where
I feel pretty awkward speaking to myself right now, but today I had the workshop from the workshop that I did in collaboration with my work and Mini Print Studio, and it was amazing. I'm so grateful to everyone who came and shared the time with us, as well as Sam and Albert from Mini Print Studio for their efforts, as well as their guidance and everything that they did for me throughout the year. I had some things that I picked up along the way. Masking tape, and it has little letters that are kind of like comforting, and it's directed to the person whoever see it. So I don't actually really like this cloud font, but then I actually met up with Ginny because she participated to support my first event / program that I planned, and I don't know how she does it, but every time we hang out together, she sees that I like something and she somehow manages to get it. So this is so cute. Love it because it's like a little cat just chilling with a little cup of tea and like a flower vase on the trees. I just love the color, the compositions, very relaxing. Like a letter, thank you so much. Alright. She also got me dried flowers. So actually I think she was trying to give it to me on the Christmas Eve, but then she forgot it at home. But luckily I was able to get it, and they are beautifully preserved.
Oh my god, they keep coming back.
I love you. I love you. I love you more. No, I love you. I love you. Oh, this dog is like ready to be loved. Oh, you don't fit here. When you forget that this is a shop.
I can hear the soft breathing of the girl that I love.
So I'm going to be unboxing this Osmo. It's finally here. I have nothing to open it with, so I'm just gonna go at it with my scissors.
So excited. So this came from Shenzhen in China. I thought it was coming from Korea because the website was Korean, and the person that I was talking to, that I was consulting about this product, was actually Korean. So I don't know, I just assumed that it'll be arriving in a couple of days, only to find out that I would have to do like the customs and do all these like paperwork. I mean, it wasn't that much. It wasn't really much of a hassle, but it's still a bit tedious in the sense. And if you need like a quick and easy method of getting this, then I would suggest that you look for other sites than the actual official website. But the good thing about getting from the official site is that you actually know that you're getting the right product, and it's generally cheaper than the other sites. So
As she lies here beside me, asleep with a knife, and her hair in a fine mist floats on my pillow, reflecting the glow of the winter moonlight.
But oh, there it is. Okay, that kind of ruined the grand opening, but oh, it's already got dust on it. Oh, here it is. This is the product, and right at the bat is very small. My hands are tiny compared to the average adult human size, but even in my hand it looks pretty small. It's very handy, and I think it's very subtle. Like the thing about filming in other like public spaces is that it's really kind of obtrusive and very awkward for everyone involved, but rather this one is quite nifty, I think. Hold a second. Oh, okay, it comes with this case, which I can just store this when I'm carrying it around, which is awesome. Again, this material is also very dust attractive, dust prone. That. How do you turn it on? Power and function button. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh.
If I look at you, I'll think about you. But all I see is your phone. Okay, I'm gonna think about you. What?
Is that the face you make when you think about me?
That look.
And her eyes glaze over. And she fondles the cards.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Okay. Let's do your past and present.
Are you okay? What are you doing? We're in a public space, please.
No, we're not.
Yeah, that's why we came to this corner for a reason.
I'm good. Lord.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Oh yeah.
Dude, the boxes look great too. Oh, it's a video. Is it still recording?
seems like the Christmas does not end, and I picked up these two cute earrings. They're from Adventure Time, and I love them. I love them so much. I used to watch Adventure Time. Actually, I watched the whole series in my freshman year, and I love them. They're so cute, and I'm gonna wear them a lot. And another pair I picked up are these. I unfortunately lost my favorite other long gold earrings, so I got these instead. And I like how simple they are and how they just casually jazz up my outfits.
We don't have to stay if you